Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we'll be lowering our BMW E34 540i automatic. Now, this is not a tutorial video by any stretch of the imagination, it's just a video to add to our playlist that's all about Boudica BMW E34 540i automatic. So watch along and we'll see what she looks like at the end. Now we are fitting Spax adjustable suspend, which should sit nice. I'm quite looking forward to seeing how she handles, especially when we go down Wales on our expeditions. Are you looking forward to that part?
Oh yeah, surely am.
We'll test all the stiffnesses. And we'll tell you all about it. And if you subscribe, you'll be there through the journey. That's some sketchy jacking up there. Like I said, all we do is outside. We've got no lifts, no fancy garages. At best, we've got a driveway. At the very best. Normally, all the stuff we do is out here. This is the original Butler-HQ. Now we've got the front fitted. Was it the front fitted about a week ago, Pop? Yeah, the front was fitted about a week ago, and you can see looks very nice. Look under here. It's all fitted. I painted this in yellow, the strut leg in yellow, the red springs. It all looks quite cool. Got all new suspension back there. So I should drive like a peach, I'm hoping. And to change the suspension, you'll see a video before this in the playlist how we built the shocks up, so you ain't miss out on nothing. Yeah, if anybody are wondering, the adjustability is from this top adjustment here. Now this is sketchy. Wow. Getting all four wheels off the ground. We are doing some funny angles here. So bottom pins are made on both sides. I've got the pins securing attachment frame in the corner. It's time to remove the three at the top, and that should see the strut and shock out. As you can see, in typical British weather. What's it doing, Pop?
It's been raining, isn't it?
Yeah, it's flipping raining again. Both tops are off. Still raining, sunny, rainy sun. We're having a problem detaching the shock from the hub. Yeah, you can see it's spitting. So, in typical British fashion, we got rained out a little bit. We're back on it now. It's about an hour later from the last clip. Rained a lot, and now the sun's out. It looks like we're going to have to actually cut the collar on there, which is going to be a bit of a pain, but I'm going to get it done and pound her on. Right, with that. So at this point, folks, we reverted to cutting it off. Many hours later, how many hours have it been, Pop? 3?
A little while.
We have removed the shock. I want to show you this is the damage we had to do to get the shock off. It's just as well. Better than our 4 years to technically refined, longer service life. So, luckily, we can actually test that claim because got on video when we fitted them. And the last part is a 4 years limited guarantee.
Well,
technically refined, longer service life.
Well, I know some which have done just under 70,000 miles, and looks down, and they're still going quite well.
That's all. Nervousness. That's the old rock. Here we have our Spax adjustable units. You adjust them with there. We're happy with them. So it's day 2 now. The light bet us last night, if I'm honest, and it was right pain. That bit should be killed off today and finished. We hope so. Right, I'm getting some new spring compressors. Dad started to get his side off, and it looks like it's the same joke again. We've got some new heavy duty coil spring compressors. The other ones are fine, but it's just got more grip on these than those old sorted. I think these ones are ages. And we're alright on standard spring, but when you've got a bit of pressure, it don't seem to be working on B spring or not, so I just thought below it, I'll get these. So I've managed to get the back shock run. These compressors, I do rate them. I just brought them. The only thing is they don't fit on the back of the E34 coil properly for a more larger spring, but it did work. It took me about 6 minutes to do that, and we've been peeing around with the old ones for about an hour. As you can see, Dad's having all the fun in the world trying to get that off. We've been back to this situation again. Luckily, it's only midday, 12 o'clock now. So when he gives up, we'll be able to use the new spring compressors. I think we should get a job done. We've got to bleed the brakes, and we should be awesome. Is it going?
I think so. Yeah, it is going. It has been the battle.
Happy with you, Pop?
Very flipping happy.
Does that close look a bit dusty?
Yeah.
The wagon over.
Look.
You can see daylight through the exhaust.
Yeah.
Right, the exhaust is gone. 50 logs on the video, and I'll get a stainless steel H-piped exhaust, and I'll do a video on it. Is it gone? So 50 likes, H-pipe exhaust on Boudica. I'm going for a H-pipe because our next pipe on the 525, yeah? It's gone on the 525, and it was alright for the 525, but I'm going to get an H-pipe on this. If I get 50 likes, H-pipe, custom made. And that's good because I've just had to get the two together now. Dad can be putting that back on, and I can be disassembling that. That's going to be good. So we're above time now. 50 likes, H-pipe exhaust on Boudica, and I'll do a video inside, outside, and from underneath. 50 likes. Yeah, you're going to prove me wrong now and get them 50 likes. This is our old shock and spring assembly. Look at the state there. That's like right finger, right? Right, crap. No good. Day 3. Yeah, rubber split yesterday, so I ordered a new one from BMW. Back on it today, so it's time to build up the last shock.
The motto is, always, get replacement rubbers.
We normally do. It's just been one of them things with somebody messed with a car, I had to drop it down, and we realised the MOT was cutting short, so it's been a bit of a rush. Hair's a mess, beard's uncombed, we're getting it done. And just like that, they are done.